Good day everyone. Today, we will discuss about factor theorem. For a polynomial p of x, if p of a equals 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. Conversely, if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial p of x, then p of a equals 0. We can use synthetic division or the remainder theorem. Let's start. Number 1. Determine whether x minus 4 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Let's use synthetic division. So first, let us check the dividend, if it is in standard form. Okay, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 is already in standard form and there is no missing term. So we are going to write it here. Then, the divisor is x minus 4. We are going to equate x minus 4 to 0. Then, that becomes x minus 4 equals 0. Take the additive inverse of negative 4, which is positive 4. That means we are going to add both sides by 4. That becomes x minus 4 plus 4 equals 0 plus 4. X minus 4 plus 4 is x. 0 plus 4 is 4. So x equals 4. We are going to write it here, 4. Then we are going to take all the coefficients of the dividend. Here, 1. Then negative 2. Next, negative 11. Then 12. Now, we are going to bring down 1 here. Then, 1 times 4 is 4. We are going to write it here. Then, negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Then, 2 times 4 is 8. We're going to write it here. Negative 11 plus 8 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. We're going to write it here, negative 12. Then 12 plus negative 12 is 0. The remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, therefore, x minus 4 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus 11x plus 12. Example number 2. Determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10. Use the remainder theorem. That becomes p of x equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10. The value of a is 2. That comes from divisor x minus 2. So we are going to equate this to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. Then take the additive inverse of negative 2, which is positive 2. That means we are going to add 2 both sides. So x minus 2 plus 2 equals 0 plus 2. X minus 2 plus 2 is x. 0 plus 2 is 2. X equals 2. So the value of a here is 2. So we are going to write it here, p of 2. Then, change the value of x by 2. That becomes 2 times the quantity cube, 2 cube, minus 3 times the quantity 2 squared, plus 5 times the quantity 2 minus 10. Then simplify. 2 cube, that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 2 squared, that means 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 2 times 8 minus 3 times 4 plus 10 minus 10. P of 2 is 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 16 minus 12 plus 10 minus 10. So that is P of 2 equals 4. The remainder is 4. Since the remainder is 4 and not 0, therefore, x minus 2 is not a factor of 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10. Again, we can only say that x minus a is a factor of p of x if the remainder is 0. Thank you.